Hello my YouTube friends. Today my son's families are coming and one of the dishes will be this appetizer with vegetables from my garden, all of them. Let's go to the garden and I will show you what I picked and prepared for this dish. First I will collect a few cucumbers. Today I will pick up one variety. This is another variety. They will be very, very long. This variety is called the snake cucumber. This variety is very short but very productive. It's called balcony snacker or patio snacker. Patio snacker. Let's see if we have anything to gather here. Yes, we do. Let's get them. I believe I harvested more than enough for today. Next up are carrots. I first research at the base and see which one deserve to be pulled out. I look here. Probably I will pull this out. I planted these carrots in April, so they are not so big, but enough for my appetizer. I believe I have enough carrots. So let's go to pick up one or two beets. These are my beets. I found this one. Let's try to pull it out. This one looks promising. Good bunch of beetroots is ready as well. The sweet peppers are not big enough, but I will try to find a few medium size. Next up is kohlrabi. It's a type of a cabbage that develop a bulb at the base of the leaves. One is pulled. Let's try to find the second one. I found this one. They looks good. All members of my family like peas, so I will collect a bunch of them as well. My basket is full, so let's go wash and prepare my vegetables. I washed my vegetables, remove all the big dirt, but now I need to cut the leaves, wash them more and prepare them for my appetizer. I cleaned my vegetables even more. Now I have to cut them and prepare the dressing or the dip. My vegetables are cut and I have to prepare my dip sauce. The base of my dip sauce will be Greek yogurt. I will add salt, pepper, minced garlic and shredded cucumber. Let's do the dip. For freshness I will add dill and chives. I added all ingredients. Now I will mix it up and my dip will be ready. My appetizer is ready and now I will try it. I also suspected that kohlrabi will be a hit. And I'm right. Sweet, crunchy, fresh. So this is it. My very fresh, beautiful appetizer. And also let's look at my herb flower bouquet. Mint, monardas, and funnel. By the way, this is another bouquet from my garden. Roses.